Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. Thanks for joining me today. Today's a really super simple card. I'm doing it as a sort of a last minute challenge entry for Joy Sets, but I'm also making it to show off one of my annual favourites. I'm doing a little series of YouTube videos showing you what's been my favourites of the year. And this one's a little bit unusual because this is a favourite that I haven't had all year, but I've wanted all year and I've finally got. And it's the Vertical Greetings from Stampin' Up, the stamp set. And I've just loved this stamp set. I've admired it from afar. I've put it in my basket I don't know how many times. And I've taken it out again because something else was more important. And finally, I got it on resale. And you might have already seen that because I'm going to do a little resale haul that I got. But this goes in the category of things I loved but never got until the end of the year. So I'm going to really enjoy using this next year. I'll probably retire in June, but it doesn't matter. I don't care. I'll carry on using it anyway. I just love it. I just love the Christmas of the design. I love things I've seen done with it. And it was just perfect for this crisp design that I wanted to make today. It's a thank you card, the challenge, and I'm just using a piece of Whisper White that from Stampin' Up that is 5 by 5 inches, and then I've added a Tempting Turquoise layer which is 4 3/4, and I know Tempting Turquoise is retired, but it's a colour I loved and I had plenty left of, so I thought I'm going to use that because I love the Christmas of blue and white together. So I'm going to just add that to the front of my card. So that's 4 3/4. And then on top of that, all I'm going to add is a layer of Whisper White, but I'm going to print, and this is that's the blue is 4 7/8 and the white is 4 3/4, and I'm just going to add that on there. But first of all, I'm going to stamp on using the topiary, sort of the circular sort of cut box, and I'm using thank you sentiment. So I'm just going to pop it on a block. Get it nice and straight, and I'm just going to go for this. I'm not going to use a positioner or anything, and I'm going to use Tempting Turquoise ink for this. I'm just going to test stamp it. Oh, perfect. Just going to make sure it's all stamped up. And then I'm just going to pop my piece of card there. And I'm just going to use my grid paper really to help me position it. I'm just going to stamp that there. And then I'm going to stamp the thank you. That straight. Make sure it's all stamped up, give it a little bit of a test print. You can see I've got a bit of overlap there, so I'm just going to be really careful. I'll be really light with this. And there we go, just nice, very clean lines. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little gems. I'm just going to pop some glue on. I might check and see if my Stampin' Up order's moving yet. It's been pending or picking for days. And that's it. That's my thank you card. How pristine is that? See that? Card there. Lovely. Okay, Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.